Okay, I'm over at Mike's, and he's doing his burn today, but I'm looking at his chickens. And chicken time, chickens. Yep. Got a little chicken pen outside. Moves this little thing around. Where are the chickens? And over there is their little coop. Get in there a little bit too. Skip, skip. Okay. I'm not gonna go. I'm just gonna stay up here today. Mike's doing his burning, and I already went to Clayton Park, and I didn't find a damn thing. So I'm looking at the chickens, and sitting back here in the back of the park, hanging out with my friends, Mike and Carol. And one thing. And over here is Mike's wood pile. It's Saturday, the 2nd of May. So he's been doing all this wood up here. How many cords he's got? 1, 2, 3, maybe 7. But he's got, Jesus Christ, he's got all that to do yet. And he's been burning every other Saturday, getting this done. And it's going. It just gets pretty smoky back here. And, well, got more stuff stacked up over there. Hello, Carol! Carol don't like you on the thingy. And we practice safe distance. I stay 20 feet from them, and they stay 20 feet from me. Okay. All right, Mike. I'm going to go for a little walk, but I already went for a walk, and I don't really want to deal with people. But it is a beautiful day today, back around here, and yeah, this is only, what, 2 minutes and 18 seconds. I got lots of time on this. I just wanted to show what you're doing. He's going to clean up all that wood, and he's already got a big chunk of it. What do you think you got? 7 cords already split? Yeah. I forgot about the 8. Well, you got a good piece started. And I know all this other stuff's all good in season. Alright. It is a pretty day. Skies are blue. I think it's like 65 today. Alright. So, that's what's going on. Maybe we'll find something else out in the park. Bye!